Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a 5-minute makeup. You ask, why do a 5-minute makeup? Because sometimes we don't have time to spend lots and lots of time on our makeup. So we're going to do a quick one today, aren't we? Yes. Say hi everyone. All right, so to begin, we are going to use all one product. So I'm choosing Maybelline today. I'm choosing Maybelline because it's affordable. It's something that you can do every day. And it was on sale at Priceline at the moment. So let's go for it. First up, we're going to use Maybelline's Instant Pore Eraser. You don't need a lot of this, just a little bit. Just blend it with your fingers. I'm just going to tie my hair up. I feel like I need one of those little, what do you call it, headbands. All right, next we are going to go in. Oh, I've really wanted to try this, so I was glad it was on sale so I could give it a go. The 24-hour skin tint, the Superstay Maybelline. I will fix my hair up later on, but for now, let's just leave it the way it is. All right, so it's a little dropper. I've heard such good things about this, so I really want to give it a go, and you know, that's what it looks like. It's quite runny. It is a medium coverage, so it's buildable, I guess. And I only want a medium coverage if I am, you know, doing a day-to-day makeup. The color, however, I found was, it was hard to find my tone. I feel like I could have been between two tones, but because I haven't tried it before, I didn't want to buy two in case I didn't like it. That is actually looking pretty good. It's blending nicely. This foundation was in a shade 10 as well, in case you were wondering. Remember to always blend it down your neck. Sometimes when you're in a rush, you forget it. Do not forget the neck. Or around your nose. Then just to brighten me up a little bit, I am going to use a little bit of concealer. This probably is my favorite one, but I've had it for a while, so I'm going to use it. It's the Maybelline Multi-Use Concealer. Okay, thirdly, I've got, is this fourthly? I've done primer, foundation, concealer, and a little bit of blush. All right, so I got this Cheeky Heat, or Cheek Heat by Maybelline. So I'll just give that a little dab there. Okay, finishing powder to set that in. This one is Lasting Finish by Maybelline as well. Now, because this is just an everyday look, I'm not going to obviously contour my skin or anything like that because I would not do that on a daily basis. I don't even do my eyebrows if it's just a, you know, casual look. But you can put a little bit of mascara. I'll build it up a little bit. And this one's the Maybelline Surreal. I'm going to use some Lasting Fix to set that all in. All right, what do we think? Is this easy? This was pretty easy for an everyday look. I feel like it's looking pretty good. It's hard when you've got your mirror down so low. Okay, so I've been wearing this for a few hours now and I feel like the coverage is quite good on this. For an everyday wear, it's definitely something that's achievable. You can see I do usually have quite a bit of hyperpigmentation there, which is covered at the moment, which is really good. If you've enjoyed the content today, please like and subscribe to the channel and we can keep doing this together. Bye, see you next time.